In the market for a midsize family sedan, this is the standard all others are judged by. This is the 2023 Honda Accord. This year completely redesigned with new styling features both inside and out, plus a choice of two powertrains, gas and a hybrid engine. I have the hybrid in the touring trim level. Sleek, powerful, and electrified, this all-new 2023 Accord brings new energy to the midsize sedan segment. The 11th generation Accord is available in 6 trim levels, topped by the hybrid-powered Touring. Now, the 1.5-liter turbo Accord LX has a starting MSRP of $27,295. The hybrid electric-powered version starts at $31,895. The 4 hybrid electric-powered trims feature Honda's new, more powerful hybrid electric system. With 247 pound-feet of torque, they're the most powerful Accord hybrids ever while achieving outstanding EPA fuel economy ratings with up to 51 in the city, 48 combined with that EXL trim. Positioned at the top of the Accord lineup, they will represent about 50% of the annual sales, a key step in Honda's electrification strategy. So the top-of-the-line hybrid electric-powered Accord Touring, which you see here, leads the way with advanced technology featuring Honda's first integration of Google built-in, which includes apps like Google Assistant, Google Maps, and more on Google Play for seamless on-the-go connectivity, plus a 3-year unlimited data plan, which is complimentary. With Google Assistant, users can get things done while keeping their eyes on the road and their hands on the wheel. I've used it a number of times. It is super easy, barely an inconvenience. For example, Google Assistant enables you to set your destination in Google Maps using your voice, with the route map then displayed in the instrument cluster. You can also control media by asking Google to skip to the next track or rewind a podcast using your favorite media apps with just your voice, and so on. Just a couple of examples. The tech-savvy Accord Touring also features redesigned, customizable 6-inch head-up display, 12.3-inch color center touchscreen, Honda's largest ever, a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system with Bose Centerpoint technology. There's also a wireless smartphone charging pad, 5G Wi-Fi hotspot capability, heated and ventilated front seats, and heated rear outboard seats. So the Accord lineup starts with the very well-equipped LX, powered by an updated 1.5-liter turbo with VTEC, mated to a CVT. This combination is reported to have a smooth and responsive, with additional refinement, improved emissions, and 192 horsepower. Engine noise has also been significantly reduced. A new easy-to-use 7-inch color touchscreen audio system is standard with Apple CarPlay Android Auto capability, physical knobs for volume and tuning, and a simplified menu structure. A 10.2-inch digital instrument panel, LED headlights, and a blade silver 17-inch alloy wheels are also standard. Also turbocharged, Accord EX builds on the LX equipment with heated front seats, a one-touch power sliding moonroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, a 10-way power driver's seat with lumbar control, an upgraded 8-speaker audio system with pewter gray 17-inch alloy wheels is also standard on the EX. Moving on now for a sportier driving experience, you can go for the EXL, Sport L, and Touring. They come standard with the new, more powerful 2-motor hybrid system. Love this one. With an all-new and more refined 2-liter Atkinson Cycle 4-cylinder engine. Combined system output is 204. It's a 2-horsepower increase. While traction motor peak torque is 247. That's up 15. Despite the increase in power and performance, hybrid-powered Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring are the most fuel-efficient sedans in Honda's lineup, and actually improved for 2023 with gains in EPA city and combined fuel economy ratings. This Accord is longer, sleeker, with premium proportions and a broad stance, further advancing the Honda design direction with a low horizontal belt line and a long, powerful front end. Accord backs up its sleek new looks with more confident and refined dynamics for a more engaging and intuitive driving experience. Now based on the enhanced global Honda architecture, every 2023 Accord benefits from extensive improvements to the body, chassis, safety technology, and overall driving refinement. Accord's chassis rigidity has been increased, and suspension and steering updates make Accord even more enjoyable to drive. The cabin experience includes a new modern and sporty interior featuring fine craftsmanship, and high-quality materials, with close attention being paid to the operation of all switchgear and controls for a premium feel. High-style materials include elegant piano black trim and a striking metal mesh accent that stretches across the instrument panel. Selectable drive modes optimize your experience for various conditions. You have normal, eco, those are standard. Hybrid models, the Sport EXL, Sport L, and Touring, add an updated Sport mode and a new individual mode that enables customization of your driving experience. In addition, all of these 2023 Accords come standard with an expanded Honda Sensing suite of driver assistive technologies that includes traffic jam assist and a smoother, more natural feeling to functions such as adaptive cruise control with low speed follow and the lane keeping assist system. The rear seat reminder is now standard across the lineup, and the rear seatbelt reminder continues as standard. For additional value and peace of mind, Honda now offers the new complimentary Honda Service Pass maintenance plan, which covers select factory scheduled maintenance as indicated by the vehicle's maintenance minder system, performed at a participating Honda dealership for the first 2 years or 24,000 miles of vehicle life, whichever comes first. These services include standard oil and filter changes, tire rotation, and multi-point inspections. If you're in the market for a new or used vehicle anytime, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine. Select the make, model, and zip code and find the best deals being offered in your area from qualified dealerships. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.